Hi guys, my name is Rylan Pappas and this is my intro video for Journalism 303. My name is Rylan, like I said, and I am a junior and I'm from Fort Collins, Colorado. My major is sports communications and my minor is leadership studies. I actually decided to come to Lincoln because of the emphasis that the journalism school puts on the sports programs. There's really no better place for athletics than Lincoln, and I love that they have options and a specific major, honestly, just dedicated to sports, since that's what I've always been very passionate about. From about the age of 9, I wanted to do something in the sports industry, and so Lincoln was a really attractive option for me. An interesting fact about me, since I am from Colorado, I do feel very lucky that we have some of the best concert venues and also some of the best skiing mountains. I've grown up skiing. I've been going since I was about 3. My favorite place to ski is actually called Sunlight Mountain. It's not very popular nor very big, but it's really nice because it's never busy. And my favorite concert venue is Red Rocks, biasly. I'm taking this course because I did take the Editing 1 class, and it really served me well. Especially in my Reporting 1 course, I felt like I really drew on a lot of the knowledge that I learned in editing. So I want to build upon those skills, learn more, and be able to apply to different platforms, which I think is really cool. Social media, LinkedIn, having my own profile, just stuff like that, and really being able to present myself in a good way. Also, I feel like the skills that we learn in editing courses really help me in all my other classes as well, because it really helps with my essay writing. And I want to ensure that when I am publishing stuff about myself or something that I wrote about, may it be a sports program or whatever, that it's grammatically correct and also sounds professional, because that's how people truly do kind of judge you at times. And I just want this to serve me in my future job aspirations, to feel more confident in my skills. So I hope to do with my life is work a job in sports communications or media, maybe something in sports advertising or in a recruiting department. Currently, I am working in the recruiting department for the University of Nebraska football team, and I absolutely love it. I think it'd be really fun to become an employee. But personally, I'd rather live at my dream destination than work my dream job. So I'm planning on moving back to Colorado after school. And if I can find a sports communications job, great. If not, real estate is my second option. I worked at a real estate office the past couple summers and loved it. So I'm excited for the course and excited to meet everyone virtually. Thank you.